With no sign for a winter session of State Assembly, CLP leader Ibobi has accused the state government of violating Article 174 of Indian Constitution, which ensures holding of regular assembly sessions. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Ibobi said he was anticipating a winter session. However, the year coming to an end in few days, the possibility of holding this assembly session is deemed at the moment, resulting to violation of Article 174 of Indian Constitution and Rule number 17A of Rule of Procedure Conduct of Business. While maintaining that Chief Minister can still make efforts to have the winter session, Ibobi said memoranda have been submitted to Manipur Governor, Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly and Chief Minister apprising about the situation. The Congress leader further questioned the existence of a democratic form of government in the state with a legislature as the government continues to violate democratic norms. MPCC President K. Megha Chandra, Sugnu MLA K. Ranjit, Kundrakpam MLA T.H. Lokeshwar and other Congress leaders attended the press conference.
Anna state to the Piriba, Togam Topa, Tabak Matausing Hivetare, Mashi Amata, Ilaga Chataba, Towing with the Toba, Parliament session Zuaduga, Tete, state session, the law in winter session, the law in Ayambana, Hamna Vania Koi Manipuri, Hamnana was someone to Tobide, Aduga, Hamnana Vagi prepared to Ude, calendar year in Loigadore. Aduna. Masi Manipur da huzik lairiba government se Bharat ki constitution piriba provision mayam singsi loina violate tawre akhoi democratically elected government se lairibra laitrabra masi democratically elected laitragadi dictator gi shasan tawdna tum sathadna lairabra haibase akhoi opposition gi side tagi question tawjari aduga sarkar gi tawham thokuma thau Torokta Targadi, Akoi Tumina, silent spectator, don't labor the Akoi Labor Yaroi.